Hello everyone, this is Ilantarian. In this video, we will see how to interact with a button using our hand tracking. To interact with hand tracking, we need to have a SDK integration first. Go to Package Manager and under My Assets, install the OVR integration. Now the SDK is installed, so let's search for the OVR integration and drag and drop the OVR integration under the camera rig. Now you will see OVR hand under the OVR HMD, and now go and search for OVR hands, which will enable us the hand tracking. So drag and drop under the OVR integration. Now you will see left hand and right hand under that. Let's add the poke interaction to the both the hands so that we will be able to interact with both the hands. So under each hand there is hand interactions right and left together, and in the project go and search for the hand poke interaction and drag and drop the prefab under that hand interaction left and the right both. And in the interaction hand interactions, go to the inspector. Under the interactors, add your poker element to it for each hands. Now let's create a new a game object and rename it as interactable and reset the transform. And now uh, go to add component and let's add poke interactable. And now again go to add component and add pointable canvas. Yep. Now let's go ahead and add a button to it to interact with and adjust the button. Yeah. uh, okay, just adjusting the button view and go to event system and add a pointable canvas module. And now change all the canvas details to world space and adjust the world space according to the camera, and resizing the button. Now go to interactable and on the pointable canvas, drag and drop our canvas into it to make sure that we are able to point that canvas. And in the poke interactable, also drag and drop the interactable object which has that pointable poke interactable. And now go to canvas, add plane surface because it is a plane canvas. So we are adding plane surface and add a new game object under the interactable called mesh, which will help us to add the colliders and other stuffs. Add component with clip the plane surface, and again add another component with the bounce clipper. Now plane surface, you can add it from the canvas because we have added plane surface to the canvas. And now go to interactables and add the mesh to the surface patch. Just adjusting the button to the canvas. Yep, and just go to build settings and build and run. Yeah, save it, and yeah, it's building now. Let's see that in the Quest Pro device. Yeah, now you are able to interact with it, but no text here. So let's add text and see what is missing there. Okay, let me add the text mesh pro. I guess that's what missing. That's why the button name is not showing up. So I'm importing the text mesh pro here so that the button will look, the text will look in the button. Okay, I'm just deleting and re-adding the button and also adding a text so that when you click a button, it will show up with the date and time at least, so that we will be able to see how it looks like. Uh, Now I'm just adjusting the UI for the text. Yeah, I'll delete the button and re-add it. Yeah, now you're able to see the name on the button. Oh, oops. Oh, okay, just adjusting the size for the text so that it will look smaller in the camera. Go to button and I'm adding new script to it. So when I click the button, I need to show the date and time. So I'm adding this small script to it, and I'm just adding on click. I'm just dragging and dropping button on click. Yeah, let me show the script as well. Yeah, just importing text mesh pro and the button and getting the button component and the text. When I click on it, I'm just displaying the date and time, current date and time. So let's go back and go to build setting, build and run. Yeah, let's see that in Quest now. Yeah, now you see the text as well. When I click, it says that clicked at so and so date and time. So I keep clicking and it keeps updating.